Good girl.
Hello?
Yeah, it needs to come further back.
Yeah, I'll be alright.
There's only so far it can go
I know.
because of the bit of the cake.
Yeah. Oh, have you found a place you like, Nasuna? She loves that box.
Yeah.
I'm delighted.
Come here.
No. Oh, a bit of tape's come loose on the box.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girls. You're so clever.
See, that's what I was hoping for, that she was going to start finding her way up.
Yeah.
And that maybe Nasina was going to start finding her way down.
Yeah.
And between them, they'll kind of work it out and be like, oh, more space.
Yeah.
Different places to go.
Good girl. Oh, I'm just delighted they like the box.
Yeah.
Gonna have to take the... I need to take the bit of tape off though. Can I possibly get a hand to do that?